What it do, YouTube? Back with another one. Hope y'all day is going well, night, or whatever time of day it is for you. This recording is coming right after OKC beat the Pacers, so the series is 1-1. And if you watched the last car video, excuse me, if you watched the last car video, I was on point. I released it today. I recorded it like 2 a.m. and I had to upload it today. So, man, hey, shout out to me for posting a car video in a timely manner. I ain't gonna lie, I posted 3 videos today, man. I posted a video that was recorded and ready to show. I recorded on last Saturday. It was ready to be shown Sunday. Oh, no, Monday. I think I edited it on either Sunday or Monday. Had it uploaded. And I said I kept forgetting to press public. So it just stood in the tuck. Every day said, it's coming out today at 6. Coming out today at 6. Even though I wasn't promoting it, like new video coming out today at 6, I just kept telling myself, today at 6. And I'll forget. I'll take a nap or something. Wake up. It'd be 8 o'clock. God dang, I missed the time. But yeah, today I finally did it. It was the first video I posted today out of my 3. And you feel me? And one of them I wasn't even about to post. I was saving it for tomorrow. I said, you know what? I might as well post it today and see what it does overnight. But I want to do something a little different. I want y'all to ride around with me, listen to the music I listen to. It shouldn't get copyrighted because this is off a mixtape. So shout out to Lido, Step Brothers. We're gonna just, you feel me?
Time is a terrible thing to waste. Gotta grind like you there for leading the race. I mean, setting the pace. It's destiny, fate to separate the good from great. No settling for second place. Hey, you predator or prey. You're either being hunted or giving chase. Look, surviving ain't good enough for me, but I admit it's safe. Got me bent, but I didn't break. Listen, put it this way. I'm down to live with this clip ended. Whenever I slip the
Look at my waist. So what you say? I ain't finna play. That full rank motion. It's the same emotion.
Yeah, they try to divide us, I remain the quotient. Stay on top like a numerator, still count paper till I drop my account crazy. I break the calculator, trying to profit 10,000 daily, and really don't care about how I make it. I'm out of place. It's all that we got. Build a spot, keep rising to the top. My niggas keep rising.
This is his he dropped this before he came out with his CD in March. It's the Jack and the Beats mixtape type thing. I'm going off. Never hit smooth, like right on the yoga mat. Yeah, I'm heading to the skating rink right now. Gotta get my exercise in for the day. Play with my life. I didn't know before, now my soul is aligned. Woke up and had a few goals in my mind. Been this good for this long, like Nolan rhyme. Like I'm like Penn and D Rose in they prime. What's Grand Hill? Running back one more time. Oh, it's time to go. That's fine. If you're skinny, try to have a nice day. If you got a big head, try to have a nice day. If your mama's ugly, try to have a nice day.
And please do remember that your past is a servant that has made you all you now are. Not a companion to spend much time with in your present, or a friend to carry into your spotless future. It's impossible to enter the magic that each fresh morning brings if parts of you are holding on to old disappointments, resentments, and hurts. You know that well now.
Tell John Henry Hill. Yeah, NFL. You
never did a home and away trip to Detroit.
Chicago, like
Their arms.
I'm a Green Bay Packer. Lead off.
Green Bay.
Like sour cream and onion chips. Way before sour D, 1,000 P's, a half a ton of meat.
Trash back game.
Yeah, hide your hoe, better put that bitch on punishment. Coulda beens and used to be's, they just wanna know what the money was. Once again, before they could say that I fell off and look, I
shook back.
My homie ran off with a dub, told me to pick 6, I ain't look back. Gave by 800 once, they pull out a gun, they took that. Then I got distribution deal tapped in with the growers. Anyway, I'm not finna play them niggas in the way, put them on ventilators. It's my Valentine, my little candy lady, shit make starbursts.
We're an hour later.
Put a 4 on a 4 top, say it's overtime like a top breaker. Ain't no engineer brought his blender here trying to mix something like it's
biracial.
Strictly serving this for steppers only, please don't run up on me trying to die. Ain't you rather sell something for the hell of it, I still get you
touched by an angel.
When the pack touch down, I'ma do that little dance like a bayou bank. Worth the berry out brown, take it to the house, catch a lot of plays, I'm out.
Miracle Will.
Spread it like the gospel on a
spiritual trail.
Yeah, I'm an apostle, gotta adhere to the script. Marathon embodiment, the spirit of nil with an empirical gift.
Turn TV off social media too.
Cherish the day, tell Sade I do. Pride over line, trying not to argue with fools. Despise all these guys, why? Cause they know I play the truth. Ain't no understatement, yeah, they under the influence. Chosen, I ain't choosing, but somebody gotta do it. Set the bar so
hey man, this man be spitting.
I'm cold, you think I froze the rose, got them pouring salt.
Freedom ain't free.
Yeah, you
know it costs.
I think therefore I am, but so I thought. Was what you was. I had dimes by the dozen, now I got a girlfriend. But
she lied to her husband.
She always change the subject every time we discuss it. Like, why you
always say it's mine when we could.
Cut and print.
I hate when people drive slow. Like, you could have been gotten a turning lane.
Straight to Jamal Lewis, make a killing when I cut it. Ray Lewis, cocaine, cowboy, Baltimore, Raven music. Every good teacher once made a great student. I went to Wayne School, then got it, became my tutor. Jesus thought I blame Gucci, but I remain neutral. Wanted the same influence, only problems I ain't stupid. Sugar Slim told me to rap about that dope. He said that's all they wanna hear. That was my label CEO. Keep in mind that was back when I was broke, a starving artist trying to navigate this labyrinth with no hope. Fantasy and reality, though I advocate for both. I look at these superhero trappers just like actors telling jokes. Never would I'd imagine it's all an elaborate hoax. I'm in the game, but it's fixed. Feel like Kaepernick, but I'm woke. Just like taking this bitch with my back against the rope. I might drop a bag on that rematch versus Road. Shake the dice, get the cash on the floor. What up, trap? I'm on the west side with my gun, trying to backdoor a foe. Them youngins say they'll crash for the low. I swear I just be coolin'. Promise I'm the last one to provoke. Stand on biz, I'm like Wiz, I want
maximum smoke.
You ain't never smashed none before. Imaginary quotes, just a duck acting like a goat. Cut from a different family. Ask your hoe, nigga.
Yeah, ask your. Hey, this one right here, this next song. Oh my God. Yours, yeah.
Thought that I was better for you. In comparison, I was a thief for joy. Only competing to settle scores. I was a stalemate. Guess it's a metaphor for a hell day doing a devil's chores.
Yup.
Failed relationship. Cause I failed to relate and my effort was poor. Gave the least, I made you
beg for more.
Messed up our rapport. I'm supposed to be lonely. And with myself. Cause I'm at war.
Let's make peace. Follow your lead.
I wanna give you a
chance to believe. Your hand need a ring. Is that too much? No such.
Turn notifications on.
Then I won't be making this song.
I don't know why it take me so long. Gotta get out of my own way. Grown. Come on, baby.
Pick up the phone.
About to drive an email in a minute. My DMs ain't sending. Text going green on my main line. Unblock me. I'm sorry. I said it a minute. Hindsight 2020.
Record size 50-50.
That's true.
Hey, if you ever been blocked and you send an email just to get in contact with her, you really love her. Like, you answer the phone, say less. I'm sending an email. Girl, you gonna respond to me? We ain't doing that.
Grateful I leveled up from where I
Used to be.
overlooked the forest for the trees cause I refused to see. Confused by the streets that was influencing me. Trying to relay a message, meanwhile my mind racing. It's a thin line between my impatience and time wasting. Some people never go crazy with a horrible life. I get so bored that I just might turn a
Hold to a wife, sight.
Maybe I'm wrong, but the more that I write, then record and recite in a cordless mic, I'm up in my value and lowering they price. Winning the battle, avoiding the fight. How? For my fault.
Yeah.
Look, man, whatever I done for you was voluntary. And I ain't never told you no. I ain't say no this time, but just wasn't moving fast enough for you, I guess. Break bad on me like I'm a trick or something, or I'm obligated. You know, a hoe gonna be a hoe. I'm unlikely to change fair. I thought we was on to something. You just wanted something from me. Why you ain't speak up when we was geeked up if you wanted
Money.
Tighten your game up, you might have just came up. A pretty face thriller to chase had me liking
A stranger.
I know a hoe gon' be a hoe. I'm
Likely to change her.
Easy come, easy go. Yeah, that's life.
I'm a gangster.
I knew better than to get too
Little
attached.
attached.
I saw you and wanted you, even
That's
as
my homie. Who is that?
You came to your job and even
Even
blew
blew
a
a stack.
Guess it was a down payment. Knew I was gonna take you down. How
Who
rude
is that?
We both entitled. Guess our moves match. Whether on the couch or in the car, wherever we was at, you threw it back. I'm having flashbacks. You flashed out and ruined that. Now you just a throwaway like
And my newest gat.
Could've loved me better. I spent
Whatever on you.
but I could tell you on that even when we was together.
Together, oh, hella lonely.
Could've loved me better. I'd spent
Whatever on you.
I could tell you on that even when we was
Together. I love you better than. Alright. I'm gonna end the video right there because I'm basically at the skating rink and I like to pull up my music loud. But hey man, I appreciate you watching the video. If it ain't too much, hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you can catch the next car video. And I'll catch y'all next time. Godspeed.